Have you been annoyed by the LUM SDK32 DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze the software's dependency and restore that missing file. Don't let LUM SDK32 slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This DLL file is the 32-bit Logitech Unified Messenger SDK library. It provides applications with the tools to communicate with Logitech messaging hardware and manage user notifications for peripherals on older Windows versions. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This error typically means a core application file is missing from the Corsair iCUE installation path. Reinstalling the latest official version of Corsair iCUE is the fastest way to restore the LUM SDK32 DLL and get the program running again. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including the LUM SDK32, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Remember that manual replacement of the LUM SDK32 DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If missing library references are recurring, the software linked below provides general information on maintaining the LUM SDK32. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for the LUM SDK32 today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support